students, I wanted to show you how to play this game, Screen Location Words 1. Click Start. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to match the word with the location. So click this square and you're going to hear red button. So where's the red button? So I'm going to click this line and I'm going to slide it over to that dot beside the red button. Now, listen. Screen page. So now where's the screen page? This whole thing is the screen page. So I go like that. I'm going to click to listen. Classroom tab. Where's the classroom tab? Right here. And I'm going to click here. Refresh. So now I click on the dot and I drag, refresh, back arrow. Where's the back arrow? So I'm going to click with my left finger on the touchpad and drag with my right finger up to the back arrow. I'm going to check that I got everything, submit. Yay, and I can see if I want to put my name on the leaderboard, I can do it. I can show the answers, I can start again. So I can write my name here by typing like this, and I can click enter, and then it will appear on the leaderboard. So that is how you play